Hi guys, we are off to our first camping trip with a portable camping box. So this campsite is 5 hours journey from Bangalore, so we won't be having any pit stops on the way. See you there at the campsite. Here we are at the campsite. We had good roads all the way except few bumpy spots, and this location was easy to locate on Google Maps as well. This is a perfect weekend getaway from Bangalore with such a short time journey. Let's get in and check out a campsite. Well, we are here at Camp Alpha, located 15 kilometers from Chickmaglur center. It's a pleasant day for camping, and let's find the perfect spot to set our camp. So guys, this is a portable camping box, and we have buckled it up so it won't move while on the go, and we have a drawer with a latch in the side. Here we have our camping utensils, camping stove, all the camp kitchen items, and in this drawer we have some camping accessories, camping lights and all those things. And we have 2 pull-out trays which we use for cutting and cooking. It's gonna be a happy camping day. Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Well, we're already at our campsite and we've set the tarp and everything is ready for the lunch. As it's lunchtime now, we are preparing some Mughlai paneer and paratha. So let's get cooking. And this is a windshield for camping stove, as we've encountered a lot of wind while cooking in our previous campsites. We thought this will be really useful. Let's try this out today. Well, our junior is looking very happy and super excited in this beautiful location and chilling out under this shady tarp.
These are ready to cook paratas, right?
Yeah.
Akhari is done. Making some paratas.
The paratas were really crispy and soft, and this paneer curry was unexpectedly yummy and delicious. This is the first time we are trying instant food at a campsite. So for a quick meal, I think these instant foods are a good option.
Anyhow. Now Lucky is going to sleep. Wait, yes.
Red.
What are you eating?
Grapes.
You like grapes?
Yes. Hi.
Hello.
Huh.
Well, it's tea time now, and evening chai is a must for us every day. Also, we are preparing the charcoal for the evening barbecue and getting prepared for some cooking too. When outdoors, it's always better to cook early so you can wind up early and relax under the open sky and under beautiful stars.
Keeping it busy.
What happened? Is it dangerous? I didn't.
Yes.
Wow, nice one.
Lights on. Spending your day outdoors, this fresh air makes you really hungry, and especially with kids, evening snack is really important. And today we are making some chicken cutlets, and this is our junior's favorite as well.
Is it good, Lucky?
Mama. Mama, I love you. How did it
Still frozen.
We carried all this in this ice bag.
Yeah. It's been how many hours? 12 hours?
Yeah.
12 hours, it's still frozen. Not bad.
And we use 4 ice blocks.
4 days. Wait, go, we'll shoot, make a video first.
Careful, it's hot.
This is Malai tikka.
How does it look
Yummy.
like?
How does it look, Lucky? He's eating cucumber.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, 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 nom.
What are you eating, Lucky?
That was down.
How is it? Cooked well? Good.
Lucky, why we light campfire?
What?
Why we light campfire?
I was in seat and they'll get burned.
Will get burnt or will get scared?
They'll get scared, thinking there are humans there. Let's not go there.
Okay.
Lucky's face is shining in campfire light.
Lucky, having fun? Swing your thumbs up again.
It's been an amazing day and seemed just perfect to us, and we are hungry for more. So we have planned to extend another night stay at this camping site as it's full moon tomorrow. Hope we have a clear sky. Let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching and good night.